It look dry, I'm not gonna lie. It don't look moist, it don't look like a butter or run down for this. So this is not it. I'll give this corn a 1.
In a butter in a nut inside and boil the corn and sauce of water.
The corn from the market as well.
Yeah.
Try KFC Cayman. Over the years we stopped. We tried it and it tastes like the wild fowl outside. When we just came to Cayman and we gave up on KFC. We're trying it again today. Gave up on it, guys. Okay, like compare it to me. We are eat?
Yeah, we are eat here.
Alright, so 90. Okay. So we are by 3 people. Would they try a barbecue?
Are you going to eat it?
We can keep it in them.
I guess so.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. KFC. Alright. Now go sit down with my little. Where we gonna eat? Somewhere over here?
That side.
Over that side? I'm missing one corner seat. You soon get KFC. That is over this side. And which side is it? Over here? Yes, I like this. Alright. So yes guys, we're gonna try KFC in Cayman. Long story short, when we just came to Cayman, we were so excited. Ooh, KFC! I love KFC. I used to work near a KFC. I love KFC. I used to go buy KFC during my lunch break. I used to buy the fries, etc. So I was excited. Who don't like KFC, right? Because Jamaica and Trinidad have the best KFC. But I'm like, I know it's not going to be Jamaican KFC, but it can't be that far off, right? Guys, I was wrong. The KFC tasted like the wild fowl outside. It tastes raw. I wouldn't say raw, it just had a particular smell to it, and it was no KFC. I think you could have fried the chicken better if you were at home. So we say, this not gonna work.
Fall outside. What do I mean by that? The chicken, it did not taste like, I know that probably they don't use best dressed chicken, but it didn't taste, it just tasted, I don't know, it had a particular taste to it. And this was some 6 years back, and the only thing I could align it with, when I was growing up, I used to help to pluck the fall. We used to rear chicken, we used to raise chicken, and that was the smell that I associated to. When I plucked the chicken, and plucking chicken, guys, is removing the feathers from the chicken.
So we said, no, this not gonna work. It not gonna work at all. And the barbecue, guys, we buy barbecue now. Pray say it tastes good. No, we kid. Me say we'll give it to the kids.
Oh my God!
The barbecue sauce tasted like some nasty barbecue sauce. But we're praying, fingers crossed, that it tastes better today. Yeah, tasting like that. We are hoping for a better outcome, right? But this KFC is gonna taste so yummy, right, Clara? I think so too. Fries and chicken. It looks really soft.
Fries hot.
Our chicken pot.
It's not bad, but it's not Jamaica barbecue. I give it probably a 5. But it not taste badly, edible, and the sauce not overpowering on it. You want to taste it?
No breast. No breast lips. Not people.
Oh, very sharp.
That's good. Can't say no bad.
How much would I rate it? This side is already, babe. Coleslaw, how much would I rate it coleslaw?
The coleslaw chicken actual coleslaw.
It tastes good?
That gets a 9.
A 9?
Yeah, it's good.
Try it. Yes, I put that name. Not bad.
We'll get a 9 girl. I get a 7.
There's nothing wrong with it. So,
I think you would have want a little sweet for me. How much you get the chicken, babe?
soft, crunchy, little spicy.
And it's spicy.
Not a bit of like KFC flavor.
It tastes like KFC.
Not bad. A bit of 8.
8? No, sir. Yeah, you know, sister, this is a upgrade from the last time when we buy a KFC. If you get 8, usually KFC was like a 1. Don't you?
Usually we don't buy KFC over here. It's soft little.
It's not spicy though, but it's really soft. But with the all long now then change. You know them way there when I talk about? I'll give it a 8. It tastes like Jamaican original with a little bit of spicy.
How much you get at?
But who is Jamaican original chicken? Elio? Who buy it? Comment down below. Who buys Jamaican original? Who eats Jamaican original? You ever buy original, babe?
No, I thought it's spicy always. Probably, I just have nothing wrong. Probably.
Flaky, spicy. You could have taken a little more seasoning, Leo?
Could you?
Probably a 7.
So what taste? I'm going to breast out the seasoning, so that's a bit on the breast.
But me taste your leg. Soon get it, wait. I'm taste your leg.
Can I get mine back?
I give it a 7, not an 8. So it's like a little bit more seasoning. But apart from that, the KFC is soft and nice and spicy. Don't, baby?
Not another chicken.
You see,
Another chicken, alright?
so taste the barbecue, baby. I make them give you and give them your rating on it. Yeah, taste this, babe. Wait, alright, you get a piece of that.
This is the barbecue sauce that I hate on chicken.
But you know that overpouring like how they usually make it overpouring. True or false?
For me, it's like a 2. That's what I'm
I would give it a 2, I would give it a 5.
That's a green one. That's a white one.
what KFC barbecue chicken is,
No,
not come close.
it not come close to it. It smell, it have a smell that we don't like.
It's a cheesy and hot.
Probably give it a 4.
This one is mine.
But overall, yeah, KFC come a long way, don't babe? But what we know it to be.
The mash has come along.
The hot and spicy. Them
Barbecue still not starting with it.
you know all that bad Leonard. Them still I use the bad sauce on it.
No idea.
Alright, let's see already. It's not near where compared to Jamaica barbecue though, guys. So you'll be disappointed if you expect one Jamaica barbecue chicken. It might look like it don't smell like it, and it don't taste like it. But it's edible. I say one time we used to buy KFC. Initially we used to throw it. We never used to eat it, don't. It was unbearable, literally.
No, I never ate the fries.
Where to fries? I always have a special heart for KFC fries. I never like Burger King fries, but I start like Burger King fries.
For me, this fry is good also. No doubt.
What did you say?
It's really bit to eat. The fries, I go out with things.
Fries not bad, people. I like it. 8. So probably 8. 7, 8 for the fries. 7 for the fried chicken. 4, 5. 4 or 5 for the barbecue.
No, this branch, redeem KFC like Cayman to me. No doubt.
Let them know the branch.
I try the plaza, but I'm not too sure, so I'm not calling the name.
Where is it close to?
The KFC on West Bay Road.
There's one more thing to try, guys. I'm usually a fan of KFC corn in Jamaica. It's the same thing. It look dry, I'm not gonna lie. It don't look moist. It don't look like a butter or run down for this. So This is not it. I give this corn a 1.
In a butter in a nut means that them boy the corn is just a water.
The corn from supermarket as well.
Yeah. I the corn I just buy.
KFC add butter.
No, they don't add butter. What is it?
Where?
No, my child here. Nothing. No little nothing.
It's a foolishness.
No little nothing. They look boil the corn here.
The corn never did. I'll come straight with the pastas and the butter.
Where did that corn please, mommy?
Sure.
We were food.
Then probably try and take something to it
They're
because
not
I
sure
taste it
nothing.
like fresh, but
Nothing in there.
I want something more, man.
Not more.
Hey young fam, welcome. Welcome guys, today we're on the road again. We are on the road again. Yes guys, we're going a lot of places. Groceries is a must, right? We do groceries once a month, but we make several trips back to the grocery store. But separate and apart from that, we'll be yes, surprise. And we're also looking for some other household items. At least I am. Right, so we're going to a home center to pick up a few items for the house, like probably new mats, etc. What, Papa? What? Want to pee? Alright, we're gonna pee now. Okay? You hold it. Alright, big okay, big boy? Alright, that is gonna stop right now for you to go to the potty, okay, baby?
So yes guys, we're in the store for the cake for Papa. We're gonna pay the deposit. And it is very expensive, but you know, it's a fan of the number, so we're gonna get one for the number. And 5 is a big number. It's a big 8. I think it is there.
Guys, the cake is a number block cake, and number block is a very educational program that teaches your kids mathematics. Guys, Cairo knows how to identify numbers over 1,000. He knows to write them and he knows to identify them. And I'm telling, and he's only 4 years old, going off on 5. He knows his 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and his 10 times, and part of his 8 times. So guys, it's very good for you guys to let your child watch educational programs. It will really, help them a lot. And this is something that Cairo loves, nothing that is being forced on him. So his favorite characters right now are number blocks, so we get him a number block cake. His birthday is coming up soon with an entire number block theme party. Shh, don't tell Cairo, it's a secret.
These are beautiful cakes, right? But always much different. It's a number block, number 5. Wow. It's gonna be beautiful. I don't want nothing more than one of these for my birthday. That's what I'm telling them. Hi, Goody. I'm here to pay for a cake for Cairo Young. People, the month for this cake, I can't tell them, but it's gonna worth it. It's gonna be worth it, alright? There you go. So Cairo's gonna do a nice number block cake. His car is causing a harm and a leg. However, guys, I should have take out one of them and play baby them. However, I'm just telling her forget a little cheap cake for me. Either that or that. Guys, this is like I'm the first time vlogger for today. But every time this a turn up on me instead of what me.
They're big though.
Maybe I like one.
Oh yeah, that blue one. Oh yeah, that one is big though, Carol. Let's see if there's a small one that you like. Need someone for the babies, man.
We want to take picture on it. Take a picture on it.
You like the red one? Oh, you like this? Oh, you like this?
Look here, Mama. Look.
You like this one? Oh.
It's too big for her, right?
For the princess, huh?
It's too big for her.
So again.
And this she should have get. They are 2-year-old.
Same thing. Just run about the same thing. Same thing.
Alright, can put some things in this video.
Alright, good. It's not too bad now. Yeah. It's under $100.
Yeah.
Alright, this one.
So what about him? He's 4 going on 5. I think that's too big. This size.
What is that buttercup?
That one is too big, Carol. Look at this one.
Come, look at
Is the
this
color you
one.
like? No, is the blue you like?
I like blue,
The price is under 100.
yeah.
How about this one?
It's bigger.
Yeah, it's still
Bigger,
too big.
Papa. You can go on it. It's gonna
Probably
be just...
you'd have to look at this one, Carol.
I'm going to take full long 50 times.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to be probably 7, 8 for that. Are you 8 years old?
Hey,
just
you
five.
go buy
Okay. So this is a 5-year-old bike. That one.
You bought mine, yes, Dad. Can't get this one.
No. Not even daddy can fit on it. It's too big, Baba. Go next to that
That
one.
one is when you're much bigger, Carol.
And then next to
No, Carol, don't try to
not
go on
the
there. Don't try to
blue,
go on
the
there,
red.
Carol.
Look at some red one up there, so to know the.
Maybe you can try.
Cause red is for boys, you know. No, blue is your favorite color, but red is for boys. Is this still the only place?
No, I think we'll pass somewhere else, you know. We probably can try.
I know right this way.
I think that's what we'll put.
Wait for time.
But I think them arrangement changes.
Yeah. Was it more like this? Or this Cairo?
That
Don't, Leo.
it's Maya's.
Oh, this are girls.
So you guys do vlogging, right?
Yes, we
You know, I saw your first reviews on like about the Cayman Islands when I was
you
moving
did?
early. Yeah, I was that.
That's good, man.
Oh, you too?
Yeah, she said she wanted the red one.
No, don't.
Don't take it off, it's not yours.
Okay. Did you buy it? You can't unwrap it, Harry. You haven't bought it. Come, foot.
Yes, I did want to.
You just want. Come, foot.
Hey, yes, girl. You have to put your foot around and around, still in a ride. Around and around.
Sit. No, right here. Sit here, on the seat. Up here. Sit on it, man. Yes.
Sit on the seat,
Back and sit.
yes.
Yes. All right.
You have to go around and around
Go now.
with your feet proper.
Go now.
Round
Forward,
and around.
forward. All right.
Yeah, well, it's so hard to go around.
Let's go back a bit. Let's go back. Let's go back. Come.
Don't worry. It's all that big, babe.
Second.
Man, say if it look all that big.
No, really, you know.
You know, look all that big with the seat down, you know.
Oh, Carol. Go. No. Steers. That's what it is.
Is it this?
Push the pedal forward. Push the pedal
Yes.
forward.
And
No, keep
probably
it straight.
The big shoes.
Keep it straight. Push it forward. No, not
those.
those.
Okay, I'll
Carol, mommy has a raya. No hugging right now.
What about this? This is no glass.
Oh, baby, them there are some very small. Something. I need something probably larger than that.
Larger? What about this? This is cute. But a glass. So the glass, no worry about. Babe, this. Look. What do you think? What about this? The same glass something at the bottom.
I mean, we don't see anything like
Yeah, we're not going to say nothing, you know. We just have to choose something. Put it outside.
that. But in the red, so was in the room.
Well, that's so nice. Guys, we're looking for a centerpiece for the table. Oh, babe, we can ask them if they where the tablecloths. They must have tablecloths in here, so we can choose one. Don't.